Hello friends again, and welcome to one of my new videos from my Range Rover Evoque. Now I want to tell you something that I'm sure that you guys are having trouble with, because I struggled so much with this until I found a way to put this bolt. It's a star-shaped bolt. This is for the control arm. You have these two bolts here, which they're very simple to install. You just put these two, and then you have this one. Let me show you here. See, so the thing with this bolt, you have the bushing here. Okay, so when you install this arm, this suspension is going to be pushing down, so this control arm is going to bend like this. It's going to be bent. Okay, it's not going to be straight. This is what I did. I put this jack, hydraulic jack here, and I raised the suspension so I could make it as even as possible. Once I got it even, it still wouldn't go in. So what I had to do, I used one of these. This is the grinder. Okay, I had to grind the top part of the bolt so that it could find its way inside this hole. Okay, once I grinded this, I was able to just grab my electric drill, and it just bolted. Okay, you just go and bolt it, and with your bit, you have to, in my case, I was pulling on this way so I could still line it up more straight, and then it went through. I just wish this bolt, they made this, it came like this, like the other bolts. Let me show you guys, like this kind here. This is how it should be, guys. This bolt is how this one should be, because it's gonna make I spent many hours the first time I did this job. Now this is the second time. If you guys want to see more videos for the Range Rover, how to change the timing chain, which I just did, you can check it out in my channel, and I will explain you what all the things that you have to look for, the things that can go wrong, which in my case it did go wrong, many things. So I will explain you guys what to look for. It's in one of my latest videos that I uploaded. So yeah, this is not so easy, guys. It's every part of this job is gonna be something. So I hope that you guys learn how to get this bolt in. If you guys can get a new one, that would be amazing. That's like this. But if you don't, just grind the tip, and you'll be able to bolt this back in. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, and I will teach you everything I know about cars. And I'm always learning, but what I know and what I learn, I will teach you guys. Okay, thank you guys, and see you on the next video.